gold. That is super cute. This is apparently dry ice. That's guys. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is the food that they sent. This one's for Sasha. This one is pork and grain. Now I'm not sure how she is going to do with other flavors because she growling at me because I normally feed her chicken. So right here for feeding tips. So I'm not sure if they want me to put this with her dry food or what. So I will be decorating the Christmas tree in a little bit. I'm about to put these away and then I'm gonna come back and set the Christmas tree up.
This can't be my forever.
Sasha, you ready for your pictures? You ready for your pictures?
No, and I know they don't see what I see. Prayed on my knees for my peace. Wanna see family feel at ease. Oh, and I know that there's more than this. Yeah, and I know that there's more than this. Hey, yeah. Find life, new reasons. Pray for the soul lost. Find hope, find strength, find freedom. Pray, yeah. This can't be my forever. This can't be, no. This can't be, yeah. This can't be my forever.
Alright, so as y'all can see, I'm trying to take some pictures so I can post on Sasha's Instagram. But trying to take pictures for a dog, it's a lot. I'm hot. Cookie taster, something.
Oh, they got that on the mug at Target.
These are some of the pictures.
Official cookie taster.
Oh, look at this one. I like this one. I be trying to take a whole bunch so I can get her with her mouth open. Here go her with her eyes closed. So yeah, these are, oh, here go the picture of her shirt. So yeah, I've got to do this two more times. Hey y'all, so it is actually it's not even morning time. It is currently 2:11. It is December 4th, so it's the 4th day. I'm currently uploading the Vlogmas short, YouTube short style. So yeah, it may seem like I'm behind on my Vlogmas, but I'm really not because I have been vlogging. Don't mind my hair, don't mind how I look, but it may seem like I'm behind, but technically I'm not. Technically I think I'm gonna do this Vlogmas a weekly instead of daily, like every day. I am currently making another seafood boil, well, onion boil. I recorded yesterday. I should have picked up the camera when I was cooking it, well, season it and stuff. So let me show y'all. It was so good yesterday. So I'm making another one of those. It's supposed to be setting up for Christmas, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah, but right now I got it in the oven. I'm about to wash dishes and stuff, I guess clean my kitchen, so I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. Why not? Like I said, my hair look a mess, I look a mess. I'm gonna get ready once I'm done cleaning.
Oh, and I know that there's more than this, yeah. And I know that there's more than this, hey, yeah. find life, new reasons. Pray for the soul lost, find hope, find strength, find freedom. Pray, yeah. This can't be my forever. This can't be no, this can't be, yeah. This can't be my forever. No, yeah. Sometimes I don't even have the words, so I just sit and pray. Every season has its season, maybe that's enough to wait. Every little thing around me, I know it'll fade. Till I have you. I know there's more to the pain I'm feeling now. I know there's more to the heartache all around. Somehow I can see it shining like the starlights. It's so hard to see it now, but I'll be alright.
Start with your first, your name and age.
I'm Tiana, I'm 23. So I'm from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And partner, somebody to grow with. And very, like, my man, and I just don't feel like you have great responses. I love communication. I don't have deal breakers. You're like trying to see and build with someone because I do, but I'm just like, dang, I don't see myself like crawling in bed.
So I had put this back in the oven for probably about 10 more minutes to let the egg heat up, but honestly I will let it cook for an hour and like 25, hour 30. It's been cooking for an hour and 15, and my potatoes is soft, my onion, I'm about to eat because I'm hungry and I don't feel like waiting no longer. I use like the butter. These are my 3 cookies, so I'm gonna put these in for 14 minutes. All right, this is my seafood, well, onion boil. The butter is at the bottom like I said earlier. And I eat this. It's probably gonna be my only meal. Actually, I'm about to add some kale. I have some kale, so I'm gonna have some kale on the side as my greens. Alright, girl, I almost forgot my I found some perfume. Hold on, y'all. I'm about to just put some perfume on. I know y'all can't see nothing. I'm gonna just put some of this Daisy. No, this is not Daisy. This is Perfect by Marc Jacobs. And I said I was gonna stop putting it on my skin. So I just want to stop putting it directly on my skin. So I'm gonna see y'all when we get to the bowling alley. This is my hair. It took me 3 hours to do it. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when we get to the bowling alley because we gotta go.
Hey y'all. No, I made her vlog. So she posted I made her vlog.
Probably won't. I'm gonna post it. I'm gonna post it.
Come to the party.
Love like a mountain that cannot be moved. Just as an eagle, I found freedom in you. A peace which brings me through, deserving of worship in spirit and truth. The light of life shines through. Our greatest gift was you. But Father, your love never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest days. Love that flows
Go sit in the back, Destiny.
You say we're
Deja.
Okay, get a ball.
Right?
the one who is and will always remain. The wonders of Christ I still fail to explain. Father, your love never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest days. Love, it flows like a river and never ever seems to run dry. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah.
I know that's right.
Like a picture of my
You want to get on the floor.
You trying to get on the floor? You want to sit on the floor?
She's trying to do a push-up.
He's trying to knee push up.
You trying to get on the floor today? That's break. Oh, you recording? That's break. What's trying to say?
We all go 5 times, so yeah, 25 times.
I'm hungry. I'm tired. I'm ready to eat. Okay.
Hey.
Okay. Alright. 93. Alright, y'all, so we about to go to Texas Roadhouse. Bowling was actually pretty fun. But it's icy right here, so I need to get off this camera. Y'all see this ice? Hold on, y'all. Y'all gonna have to wait a minute because it's icy. And I'm not trying to fall and break this camera. But I'm gonna see y'all when we get to the restaurant. Alright, y'all, so we just got to Texas Roadhouse.
So Saturday morning, Deja woke up. I said, what you doing? You want me to cheesesteak? She said, when we get it, we're going to get a little piece and we say the rest of the next day.
Right.
So Saturday morning when she woke up, I said, what you doing? Want me to cheesesteak? She said, I ate up in the last night. But she went back upstairs in the middle of the night and died. What time you going to say? No, 2 in the morning.
It is.
She talking about the eyes moving.
So you already ordered?
No.
I'll go back there and check again. Yeah.
Look at it, Jay.
You said an 8-ounce shrimp out of the shrimp for the night. Would you like chicken fritters instead?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, then Roger, the sirloin then?
Medium well.
Any onions and mushrooms on it?
Yes.
And then your 2 sides.
Can I get a sweet potato and a steak fries, please?
Yeah, you said sweet potato loaded with marshmallows and caramel?
No.
Okay, just plain.
Yes. Can I have butter on the side?
Regular butter or cinnamon butter?
Cinnamon butter.
Okay.
Please.
And then you said which other side?
Steak fries.
I'm doing the purpose.
The same thing. That sounds good. I love this camera. I'm not gonna get
You trying? I use
different.
I had to claim it because it was getting disrespectful.
I feel to the mac and sauce and ribs. Yeah.
I don't think I was supposed to
Skip Sarah.
Hey, skip Sarah.
Say, what is you doing?
That's what I do.
Continue.
It's a video.
Oh, damn. Why you didn't say that? I'm over here posting and whatnot.
Ask it one more time.
They already put the tip in there?
No. That's nothing. He can take his medicine.
Proceed to pay.
Thank you.
Somebody got my food?
Amen.
Yeah.
I got a bad headache. I thought me eating would have been better.
You think you did your hair?
No. I think I just need to go to sleep. Same to you.